I'm Michael Comstock. I'm an orthopedic surgeon for Duke Orthopaedics in Raleigh. I'm one of the few general orthopedists for Duke Orthopaedics. I take care of a variety of problems. My practice includes everything from foot and ankle surgery to sports medicine. My practice has changed over the past 20 years or so. Now that my patient population has aged, I find myself doing a lot more joint replacement and more senior adult surgery. So I've always kind of taken pride in being able to explain, the technicalities of people's medical problems to them in a more general way that they can understand. So a lot of it is trying to make people feel comfortable. They usually have a problem that concerns them or bothers them or worries them, and it's to try to alleviate some of that worry that somebody understands the problem, and can help them basically get through it, or at least understand it and try to find some solution to it. People have always come to Duke traditionally with their hard-to-solve problems. And now that Duke is more readily accessible in Wake County, and throughout the area, now the question is like, why wouldn't you go there? Because if you're willing to take and want to take your difficult problems there, now that we're an accessible outfit, it should come basically with all problems, because medical problems can turn from something that seems uncomplicated, or easy, into something that is a little bit more involved.